In honor of Valentine's Day coming up, share your wedding song Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here. So keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen. And here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my page, you have to go to add yours 2022 at highlights. And here you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. Just like this. You can also check my other viral trends if you like this one for example. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I'll do the story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story and then I will show you the tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo. So I will go ahead and do that. After you've done that, you just have to go to stickers from the top of the screen and then you have to go to music and choose your wedding song. So I will go with this one. You can click on the down icon from the right top corner and then place your song where you want. After that, you just have to share your story with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? Once again, you have to go on my Instagram account on Ali and John YTT, and then from my Instagram, you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here. And it will get you to a YouTube tutorial which has only 2 or 3 minutes, I think. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you, so make sure to check that guys. And you can now also join our membership on our YouTube channel if you want to have some perks, if you want to talk with us in private and solve all of your social media problems. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.